Today, I'm not just going to show you how to make your first $10,000 as a student. I'm going to show you how to reprogram your mind to crave the hard work required to get there. Because once you hit that first 10K, you realize making money is a skill, not luck. Why does scrolling on TikTok feel so good while opening a textbook or a laptop to work feels like physical pain? It's because your brain is addicted to cheap dopamine. Every time you check a notification, you get a massive spike that makes real work feel boring by comparison. To hit 10K, we need to use dopamine loading. Phase 1, deprivation. Start your morning with nothing stimulating. No phone, no music, just silence. Phase 2, priming. Spend just 2 minutes visualizing yourself successfully completing your tasks. Phase 3, amplification. Treat your work like a game. Give yourself a win for every small task you finish. When you lower your dopamine baseline, hard work starts to feel like a relief, even an addiction. You don't need to day trade or buy crypto with your last $50. As a student, you have limited time but a global reach. There are 4 ways to make money, but only one is the sweet spot for us: online services. Why? Because unlike washing cars in person or selling handmade goods, local products, online services like video editing, copywriting, or social media management have 70 to 80% profit margins. You aren't limited by your neighborhood, you're talking to the whole world. To reach 10K, you need the skill pyramid. Positioning. Don't just edit videos for entrepreneurs who sell products. Help people make money, and they will happily pay you to solve their problems. Leverage. Stop charging by the hour. Charge for the results you provide. Reach. Post your work online. Even if you're just practicing, let people see what you can do. Let the clients come to you. Automation. The reliability secret. 95% of people fail because they miss deadlines. You don't have to be the most talented, you just have to be the most reliable. "I don't have time" is a lie. The best students and earners don't work for 12 hours, they work in sprints. Forget the 6-hour grind that leaves your brain fried. Use the 25-minute Pomodoro technique. Put your phone on airplane mode. 1 table, 1 goal. If you can give me just 4 focused blocks a day, you will outproduce people working 3 times as long. And if you're learning a new skill to sell, use the teach-back technique. Explain what you learned out loud to a wall. If you can't teach it, you don't know it yet. Once the money starts coming in, don't waste it on designer clothes to look rich. The wealthy use money to make more money. Step 1. Build a financial safety net in a high-interest savings account. This is your life happens buffer, so you never have to sell your investments in a panic. Step 2. Look into index funds like the S&P 500. It's low maintenance and historically has returned about 10% a year. Investing the price of a coffee every day from age 18 can literally make you a millionaire by retirement. Money is just a shared story, a collective agreement of trust. The only person you really need to trust right now is yourself. The first 10K is the hardest because it's a battle against your old self, the version of you that wants to quit. But if you can commit to just 5 days of this routine, something magical happens. The friction disappears. The work becomes the reward. You have the blueprint. Now, close this video, put your phone in another room, and give me 2 minutes of focused work. Just 2 minutes. You got this. Subscribe to keep rewiring your brain for success.